Welcome to Quote Now, the fastest way to get online quotes from professional tradies. To get a quote, just choose the trade you need, then pick the work type. Now describe your job by filling in the simple guided form. It's been specially designed to ensure tradies understand your needs so they can provide accurate quotes. Attach images, upload videos, and even build in 360-degree views on your property's page to enable a virtual reality quoting process. Quote Now will send your job to dozens of premium local tradies, and you'll get the best online quotes back within hours. All jobs scheduled with Quote Now include our job attendance guarantee. If the tradie fails to attend, you'll get a minimum of $50. Just compare the quotes and pick your provider. Simple. For peace of mind, when you make a secure payment via the app, Quote Now will hold it in a trust account until you verify that you are completely happy with the works. Quote Now eliminates the pain of getting quotes and finding trusted professional tradies. So, why get a quote later when you can get a quote now? Visit us at quotenow.com.au today.